Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver of any Gigabyte devices. After that you can see this is search box, so just click and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790S DDR4, then hit enter. And then click on this. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is you required and using, so Windows 10 and 11. So if you are use any, okay, so installations process same. Then you can see this is VGA, so Intel graphic driver, and click to download. It will start downloading. You can see it will take some time, depend about your internet. Then it is done, so click to open. This is Intel VGA graphic card, so this is extracted, so you have to double click. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting and installing. Wait few seconds to complete. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds to complete. So this is close automatically. This is installed. After that, close it.